Hello, welcome everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the simple 3-step strategy on how you can make at least 200k monthly with just your smartphone. So come with me. Imagine this. What if in the next 3 to 6 months you find yourself consistently making at least 200k monthly? What will you do? What if you never have to depend on anybody again for money? After watching this video, come with me as I will guarantee that after this training you will never beg for money again, because I'll be revealing to you the secrets and the 3 simple strategies in which you can make money with your smartphone at least 200k monthly. Come with, let me show you. This is Great Lord celebrating over 525,000 naira earned in a single week. Look at what he said. He said, yes, so money for salad and turkey came very early today. Next week we'll break our previous record. This is Usulaya Alama Frankie. You look at what he said. He says, see, we just crossed 200,000 in pure commissions. You don't know how much you could do till you get started. A big thanks to your motor show. As you can see, he's celebrating over 2,000 naira, and this is what affiliate marketing can do for you. So stay to the end of this video, as I have something very huge and big for you guys. You will never want to miss this opportunity again, because this is a blueprint where your success story changes. So a lot of people don't know me. Who am I? My name is Edward Stanley, and I've trained over 50% make money from this business you are about to learn. I could remember being going from a broke and a chronic debtor. I was in debt. I was owing many companies, many online loans app, but due to affiliate marketing, I was able to pay all my debt and earn my first 1 million naira online using these 3 simple steps I'm about to show you in this video. So a lot of people don't know what this training is for, or might be asking, what is this training for? Well, this training is for employees, those who are employed and looking for an extra source of income. Also, this training is also for stay-at-home moms, fresh graduates and students. If you're a student looking for extra pocket money to support your schooling, then this webinar is for you. Coppers, pastors, small business owners, and if you have been trying to make money online and has failed. So a lot of people have been asking me these questions, and this is the most frequently asked question people have been asking me. The more question is, can I legitimately make money fast and online? Yes, you can, but majority of people have been doing it wrongly. That is why they have been unable and they have failed severally in making money online. Number 2 question is, do you need a laptop? No, you don't need a laptop to start affiliate marketing. You just need your smartphone and a good data connection. Number 3, is this a referral business? No, it is not. It is not a referral business where they ask you to bring one person. No, it is not. It is a sales related business. So come with me. What is affiliate marketing and who is an affiliate? Well, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing method in which an affiliate marketer promotes other companies' products or services and earns a commission for each sales they generate. That means it's a performance-based marketing type that whatever sales you make, that is what you gain. You cannot, it's not a Ponzi scheme where they ask you to get rich quick. No, it is based on your performances. You cannot earn 200k when you are supposed to earn 10k. It is not a get rich quick scheme. That means you have to work for every money you make from an affiliate marketing. So who is an affiliate? An affiliate is a person or company that promotes the products or services of another company in exchange of money or cash on sales generated. Let me give one examples, like Jumia. Yes, a lot of people don't know that Jumia are not the actual owners of those products. Yes, they are like companies and affiliates under Jumia that sells those products, and when you buy them, they earn commissions for each sales. Like they are store owners and stuff like that. Another example I'll give is boat drivers, like the Uber. Do you know that majority of the Uber, they don't even own a garage, neither do they own a car. Yes, they just seek the services of unemployed drivers, who in turn they help them connect them to passengers who needs their car services. And at the end of the day, each party are being paid. The both driver and the company, they both get their shares. And another huge company is also Amazon. So this is how affiliate marketing works. It's like you connecting a buyer to a seller, like a middleman connecting a buyer to a seller. Like in Igbo language, it's called Oswahia. I don't know for the language. So this is Ifunai Patience, also celebrating 400k in a week. Look at what she says. She said 400k a week in a week is not bad. Why you were there asking, what if you don't succeed? Where will I see the money? And those fundamental questions you should ask. Young men and women are settling financial milestones and breaking them. You are either making money or making excuses. This is financial joy saying, my seven figures payment came even before I woke up on a Friday morning. Even if you have made no say, you too can achieve this. Follow the right systems. Yeah, this is financial joy celebrating 1 million naira and in a week. This is what I'll be revealing in this video right away. So yeah, so a lot of people don't know that this business, why it is very, very easy to set up. Yes, these are the major reasons why this business model has been the best, and it is very, very efficient to set up. Like, it doesn't require much. Look at the reasons why it is very easy. Number one, you don't need to rent an office. Yes, you don't need to pay shop rent. You don't need to start going and renting shops, renting spaces. No. Number two, you can start from inside your home. Inside your room, put on your boxers. Yes, you don't need to go outside and walk or even go dress up. You can be on top of your bed, sipping your coffee, putting on your boxers and your singlet, and you work from home, and you don't need to stress yourself about anything. Number three, you don't need to create any product. Yes, you're not the owner of this product. You don't need to create any product. You only just to market product. You might be a lazy type, yes. You only just to market this product. You don't need to hire anybody, and you don't have to deal with people's wahala. Yes, all this customer wahala, all this customer provocation, you don't need to deal with them. That is why affiliate marketing is the best. And the last is that you can just start with your smartphone. Yes, that smartphone in your hand is all you need to start affiliate marketing. If you have a smartphone and at least a data connection, then you should start affiliate marketing, because it is the best way to get started. So a lot of people don't know what this three-step formula is all about. Where in this, as we all go on, I'll be showing you what this three-step formula is all about and how you can make the 250k monthly at least with it. So you need to make sure you understand these three steps, because this is the key to your financial change. Because making you understand these three steps, you'll be able to go from being broke to earn at least 250k per month. So this is step one. Step one is get access to hot selling products. Yes, my favorite is Take-Out and they pay weekly. Don't worry, come along with me as I'll be showing you the access blueprints that will help you identify other hot selling product that sells like water. These are products that are very, very demanding and has a huge audience that can turn you from zero to at least 250k monthly. Step two is find an easy way to attract people that will buy. Yes, okay, this is another person, Oluchukwu Ifuna, is celebrating 418,000 naira and in a week, to show that this is the gold mine of affiliate marketing. It is a huge business that gives you huge return on investment, because earning 400k a week, you hardly see a government job that can pay you that. Even majority of the graduates are not earning that. This is just a job you do with your smartphone inside your house without living anywhere or having to stress yourself. Then what is third step? The third step is create a system in place that makes people buy whatever you are selling, whether you are online or not. Yes. When I was starting affiliate marketing earlier, I was going through the stress of replying messages by myself. Most of I'll be awake by 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., 1 p.m. to reply messages. I was stressed out. But do you know what? until I learned the automation sales funnel, whereby I was able to make my sales and automate my WhatsApp using the aid of a WhatsApp automation tool, which is the WhatsApp AI. Like, after I was able to get that app and that automation, my sales become smooth. I don't even need to touch my phone again to make sales. Even while I'm asleep, the automation app is handling my sales objections. I just wake up to money. So imagine yourself waking up to money every day. That is huge. That is marvelous. Like most of when I'm awake, I'm asleep. I will just wake up. I've gotten a sale. What happened? My WhatsApp automation tool was able to handle that for me perfectly well, even while I sleep. It even had to give me a lot of time for my studies. I remember my first semester, I did very, very bad while I was trying to create a business model because I was spending all my time replying message customers and attending to other stuff without concentrating on my books. But immediately I found out a way to automatically automate everything on my WhatsApp, I became the best in my class, even coming out with a GPA of 4.34 in my 200 level first semester, which was very, very, very huge compared to my 2 point something in 100 level. So, a lot of people don't know why I'm making money online. Yes, I was able to make money online due to the AMME course, which is the Affiliate Marketing Made Easy course, plus free access to my mentorship group. That is the only thing you need to make money online on the internet space. The AMEE is the secret to build a profitable online business that makes you 200k monthly as a newbie. While my mentorship is one my mentorship is how to make your first 100k online. These are just the two things you need to make money online: the AMEE course and the my mentorship. Because with my mentorship, I will be able to show you the secret steps and guides without you making mistakes on how to succeed and make your first 100k online. So a lot of people don't know what my students will be benefiting from my mentorship. This is what you'll be benefiting. You'll be benefiting. Look at what you'll be benefiting as my student if you're under my mentorship. Number one, you'll be getting new and very simple strategies that are working out straight. Number two, I'll be holding your hands on a weekly live mentorship every week on Google and Zoom, where I'll be giving you updates, sharing with you your experiences, and make sure that you succeed in your affiliate marketing business. Then number three is I will teach you how to sell massively in a very short period of time, and I'll be giving you secret tips on how to make people buy from you and even beg you to sell to them. This is what you'll be getting in my mentorship. And in addition to the AME course, this is other bonuses and packages you'll be getting. Number one is a free stay court account, which is worth over more than 60,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Number two is the tools you need to find the best and the hot selling product that will earn you at least huge commissions of at least 15,000 naira. It is currently worth 30k. And also be having a blueprint on how to generate leads and run Facebook adverts, which is worth 20,000 naira. You also be taught on copywriting and content creating masterclass. Only that one alone is worth 30,000 naira. And also you'll be having a free complete WhatsApp blueprint, which is worth 35,000 naira. All these things here are almost worth 250,000 naira. But guess what? I won't be charging you all of that. Yes, I'm not wicked because I want you to progress and I want to see your success. I won't charge you that much. And because you've watched this webinar to the end of this video, I won't charge you 250,000 to start affiliate marketing. So what you just need is to get started you just need a one-time payment of 10,000 naira to get started. Yes, this is amazing. This is an offer you will never want to miss out. Imagine getting to start affiliate marketing with just 10,000 naira. It is nothing compared to what you spend. I won't be charging you more. I won't be charging you 60,000 naira. No, just a token of 10,000 naira for you to start. Send me the word pay on my WhatsApp to get the link to be able to register and start your affiliate marketing business today. Now you have two choices. Yes, number one is do nothing and keep waiting for help and hope. Or take the bull by the horn, take action and watch your financial situation grow in 30 to 60 days. Whether you like it or not, months will come and pass, and if you procrastinate, you will still continue to beg for money and you can still continue to live a broke and a wretched life. So you have two options. Is either you keep doing nothing and keep being idle and keep being broke, or you take action and fight poverty to the last. Within 30 to 60 days, you're already making 250k consistently. So whether you make your so this is a bonus I'm giving for to fast action takers, that people that will be taking action immediately after the video. Number one is free access to the blueprint on how to make your first 100k without spending a dime on traffic. Number two is free organic WhatsApp traffic blueprint. Yes, I'll be giving you a free organic WhatsApp traffic blueprint. Then number three is a Twitter organic blueprint that can be able to take you from 0 followers to at least 2,000 followers on Twitter. You'll be getting all of them for free. Number four is you'll be getting a free stakeout account that pays you in dollars and in naira weekly. That is huge. And I'll be showing you how to generate a TikTok lead generator blueprint that can be able to make you generate at least 2,000 leads with just a TikTok account every week. And in that video, in that TikTok lead generation blueprint, you'll be taught on how to grow from 0 to at least 10,000 followers on TikTok. So all these things are for those who will be taking action right after this video. So the value of this action is priceless. Like, I don't give it out to people just anyhow, but I'm giving it out to those who will only be taking action immediately at the end of this webinar. So in order for you to get started right now, you just need 10,000 naira to get started. So send me a WhatsApp DM with the word pay, or if you have any more questions and objections, send me your questions, or if you don't, send me the word pay, and immediately I will be showing you and I'll be registering you on how to get started with your affiliate marketing business today. So we've come to the end of this webinar. So thank you all for watching this webinar, and I hope and I'm seeing that you all will take actions immediately so that you people can be able to change your financial situation. Thank you.